Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm excited to guide you through the process of underlining text in Figma. First, launch the Figma application on your device. Once you have the software up and running, either select an existing text layer from your design or create a new text box by using the Text tool, shortcut T. After you've chosen your text, direct your attention to the right sidebar where you'll see the typography options. Scroll down until you find the Type Settings section. Click on it to expand the Settings menu. Within this box, look for the Decoration section, which includes options for text styling. Here, you will see three different decoration choices. Simply select the second option from the list labeled Underline. Instantly, you'll notice that your selected text has been transformed with an underline, adding emphasis and clarity to your design. And that's a straightforward way to underline text in Figma. Thank you for tuning in to this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel for more informative how-to videos.